In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply a pattern swatch in Adobe Illustrator. We'll take a single piece of artwork and turn it into a seamless pattern you can reuse across any shape or project. First, create your artwork, draw the shape or design you want repeated. This can be anything from a simple icon to a more complex motif. Keep it vector-based for the best results and think about how it should tile. Elements near the edges will butt up against copies, so consider how they'll meet. Clean, intentional edges and consistent strokes help avoid visible seams. If you're using multiple pieces, make sure everything you want in the pattern is inside your selection. Next, select it. Highlight the artwork so Illustrator knows exactly what to use for the pattern. A quick tip, zoom in and confirm you haven't left behind stray points or hidden objects. The goal is a tidy, complete selection. Now go to Object, then Pattern, and choose Make. Illustrator will switch into pattern editing mode and instantly show a live preview of your artwork repeating across the canvas. The background will dim slightly, which is normal, and you'll see the pattern options panel appear. In pattern options, adjust tile type, spacing, and size. Tile type controls how the tiles line up, grid for straightforward repeats, brick by row or brick by column for offset lines, and other options for more complex layouts. Spacing sets the horizontal and vertical gaps between tiles. Tiny positive values create breathing room, while negative values can overlap elements for a tighter look. Size controls the dimensions of the tile boundary. Pay attention to the tile edge preview to understand how your repeat is formed. If the preview looks too busy, reduce the number of copies shown. If it feels sparse, increase it to better judge the rhythm. Watch for unwanted overlaps or gutters as you tweak. The live preview is your best friend here. When you're happy with the repeat, click Done at the top. Illustrator saves the pattern directly to the swatches panel, ready to use like any other color or gradient. It will be named automatically, and you can rename it later for clarity. To apply the pattern, select any shape and fill it with your new swatch. Try it on a rectangle, a circle, or a custom silhouette to see how the pattern flows. If the result looks great, you're done.